Hi! In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Start by choosing clock. Now you need to select alarm over here and tap on this plus icon next to clock animation. After that, set up an hour and choose repeat. Over here you can select once from Monday to Friday, every day, or custom. I will go with custom, so now I can select days of the week manually and go back. After that, choose name and tap on one of those labels, or choose custom and create your own. Save it by choosing OK and tap on the alarm ringtone. Now you can pick one of those melodies and choose OK to set up the chosen one, or click on alarm ringtone, choose local ringtone over here, local music, tap on music from your smartphone and save it by choosing OK. When you're ready, you need to choose OK over here, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and tapping on one of those options. You can turn it back on the same way. You can also delete it by holding it, choosing delete at the bottom, and confirming your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to, you can also click on this gear icon at the top right corner and adjust even more alarm settings however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!